Questions 1 through 4 ask us to perform the matrix operation by hand. So if we look at number 1, we are adding two matrices together, and we can only do this if the dimensions match. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix added to a 2 by 3 matrix. So because my dimensions match, I am able to add them. And when you add matrices, it's not too bad because you just add corresponding entries. So the 8 I want to add to the 7, and that'll get me 15. And then the 4 I want to add to the -2, and that'll get me 2, and then I'll have 4 and 10, -3, -1, and that'll be my answer. With question number 2, I'm subtracting the matrices, and they have the same dimensions, meaning they have the same number of rows and columns, so I am able to subtract them. So 5 minus -7 is 12, 10 minus 0 is 10, 0 minus 4 is -4, and 17 minus a -6 is 23. Looking at number 3, we are taking a number multiplied by a matrix. So this is not the same thing as a matrix multiplied by a matrix, that's something else. But this is what's called a scalar multiplied by a matrix. So in order to do that, we just need to take the 5 and multiply it by each of the entries. So 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times -9 is -45, 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 4 is 20. And then lastly for number 4, this question is actually not possible to do because the dimensions don't match. So this would be impossible. So we can't even add the first two columns. We just don't do anything.